Hello everyone, hope you are doing good. Today I'm going to demonstrate one of our web app that is the Notes app. So this is how the UI looks like. I'll just run through this once. These are some of the key features of our app. That is the rich text editor, smart organization, segmentic search, real-time sync, and end-to-end encryptions. So this is how our landing page looks like, and this is in how it looks like in the dark mode. We wanted to keep the UI as simple as possible so that the users can directly interact with the features, not disturbing their seamless experience. So now I'll go through the sign up page so that you can understand how actually this app works. So when a user comes, either you can choose to go through this option or he can or she can click on the sign up page. Once going to the sign up page, users need to enter their basic detail. Let's say user want the first name of the user, then we have the email ID, then we need to enter our password. Once entering the password, confirmation password, then user can directly click on the create account. So this is how the sign up page looks like. The UI you can see clear, on point, and 3D. And as you know, the theme is possibly we have kept very simple and on point so that user can actually enjoy the website. So after clicking on this, the user need to click on create account. So what will happen? User will get an email. See, I have got the mail. So this is how the email looks like. I'll just open the email. So you can see the email. This is the our OTP to verify our email. It is 8813. So on this page, I just want to demonstrate one of the functionality that is the resend code. So if a user is not getting our mail or at the one click, user can use this functionality to resend the code. But in this chance, we have got the mail, so we just need to verify our email. So once clicking the verify code, the email would be verified, and the user would be redirected to the login page. This is how our login page looks like. See. This is how it looks like in dark mode. Theme is so simple and on point. Now, once after getting the login page, user can just directly submit the credential and can log in. So once you have seen that I have logged in, I have got an email saying that there is a new login detected on your email that is of from this IP and this is our date when I have got. If it is was not me, I can just come to my account and I can change my password so that my notes can be safe. This we have implemented to make sure user privacy is our first choice, so not to disturb any possible functionality. So after getting here, the user can just come here and he can enter for the new note option. This is how the UI looks like, the editor for the new note. So see, this is how the dashboard of a UI. So I'll just copy one template to demonstrate the UI. So this is the feature of this. I'll, let's say this is my heading and this is all about my name. If I wanted this text to be bold, I can do this as a bold. If I wanted this to be as index, I can do that. If I wanted this to be underlined, I can that too. If I wanted this to be as a code, I can use it as a code. If I wanted this to be as hyphen, I can use this as a hyphen. Then we have some of the to make sure we can make a list too. Let's say I wanted these to be as a list. I can just click on this. This will be as taken as a list. See, we have included all the possible markdown features so that user can directly use them in our notes so that the user experience don't get wasted. He or she can just directly include these features to make his or her notes more better, more beautiful. You can directly include an image. Let's say if you want to have image, you can just directly choose on the image. You can directly click on the image. Okay. Then I have these features, and if you wanted like you can add a link, you can add index links. Then if you want to use it as a heading, you can use it as a heading, etc. So all the possible markdown features we have included this in the editor. Now we have the another option to include as a features. So let's say it is our first node. I'll say welcome and the node app. So these would be the some tags I can use it as a thing. Just to make sure I can add a comma and I can add another node. Let's say try. Try is the another tag. After getting into all the tags, heading and the body of this node, I can just simply click on the save node and node would be saved on our database. For this, we have used the database as MySQL. So this is how the UI would looks like once upon this saving the node. I'll just click on the edit button if I wanted to edit any of the note or the tag in the optionalities. This is what. Now I'll create another note to ensure the you can understand all the possible functionality. I'll give it as a name as a try, and I'll give as a features real-time sync. What do you mean by real-time sync is that whenever I'm typing a single alphabet or single letter, it is actually getting these things saved on database. So that is called real-time and end-to-end encryption. The data which you are getting here and the password and everything are end-to-end encryption. So there is no option that any kind of data could be data privacy or any kind of seamless thing could happen with you. Another thing we want to, if you want to add it, let's say I want to add a tag try, done. So this is how I've added the two nodes in just front of you. We have two options over there. That is the one to delete the node. If a user don't want this node to be done, he or she can just click on the node and the node will be deleted. Another one is to make edit. I just have edited one of the node and it was clearly visible to you. Another one is to search the node. Let's say I want to search the node with a try. You can see I have getting the node with a try. Let's say welcome. It's a welcome node. Okay. Another, if you have a number of nodes on the app and you want to make it sure that you search it in just a single, you can just click on the tags. As I can click on the tags, and these nodes are visible, and these are filtered based on the tags. Okay. The another one, the dark mode. This is how the dark mode would look like. Okay. Then we have a profile option. If you want to change the profile, they will show your email, your how many nodes are saved on the system, your name, and if you want to change your password, let's say if your password got leaked or it is not safer anymore, you can just click on and click on change your password. You can change your password. The another thing is one of our key feature that is the public sharing. If you want to share your notes, you can click on the share note, and you would get a public link to share your note. Once done, you will just copy and paste your link anywhere in the on the website, and you will get this note without getting any password. You can share this link with your friends or anyone whom you want to. You can see the markdown feature which I have used there are also visible here. The one is the notes, the indications, etc. etc. All are visible here. So this was our key feature. If in case you want to make sure that your note is not accessible anymore through the web app, you can just come here and click on this and unshare the note. Done. Your note will be no longer be shared. If you will use this link again, it's not visible. So this is how it actually looks like. Okay, so I'll just log out from here to demonstrate one more feature. Let's say if I have indicated some wrong URL, it will redirect you to 404 page so that you can get to know that you have entered the wrong URL. You can directly click on this to come to the login page. So this was all about our login page. You can just go through all the possible options here. This is our website. This is where it has been deployed so that you can explore all the possible features. We have a forgot password feature and we have recent password, etc. etc. All these possible features to make user experience more better, more seamless. So this was all about this. Thank you so much.